How to get Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you get Meta AI on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, as you have to open WhatsApp app with your account. After you open WhatsApp, you will get this type of interface. From here, at the top, in the source field, you'll have to search for Meta AI. After you search for Meta AI, if you see a blue circle icon or it may say Ask Meta AI right there, you'll have to just tap on that and start chatting with Meta AI just like other any conversation. If you don't see the option yet, don't worry, Meta is still rolling it out on slowly, so it may appear in your account or on your region soon. For that, you'll have to just do it. And that's it. This is the method to access Meta AI on WhatsApp. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.